Alright, so here's a brand new Grandeur heat pump that just fired up. It replaced that 2019 3.5 ton Grandeur that had a bad leak that I got a video of back in April. I think it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And sorry about the shake. I had to hold on to the tripod because it was uneven for me to get that shot. So yeah, I was holding the tripod plus my phone. So that's what, and it kind of scared me. So I'd never heard the start before. So that's why the camera shook when it started up. But yeah. I think it's got a broad ocean fan. This is a brand new unit. Yeah, 2025. I think it was made just a couple weeks ago, actually. It looks like it's on the 20th week of 2025, so that's brand spanking new. Yeah. Just trying to shut off. Syntec fan motor, Alliance scroll compressor. But, yeah. Here's the road. I'll just show this. You guys saw, I don't know if you guys saw the start that I got from it. Here's the data. It's not working that well. But yeah. It's working really good. And it sounds good as well. So yeah. Just thought I'd get a video of this unit starting up and running in a brand new Grandeur. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.